Alright, today I'm going to show you how to tune a Balisong. I'm going to be using this Kraken. As you can hear, pretty bad tap, both handles. Check the play. There's quite a bit of play. Main concern, that tap. Alright, first things first. Just a side note, this Kraken does have tuned bushings, as well as on stainless steel washers. I'm just going to be doing a quick tune for you too. Got a T10 bit. You're going to be taking out your pivot screws. I changed my pivot screws out to titanium in the teal color. I got them from squidindustries.com. And I actually use a different bit. I use a Balisong bit. It's a little bit skinnier to just pop out those pivots. Alright. Now you're going to have all the parts laid out on your desk like so. Two handles, 4 washers, both sets of pivot screws, and the blade. Alright, let's get into it. So I just cleaned off my blade with a microfiber cloth. I just do that, you just give it a wipe. And then you're going to start with either side of the blade. You're going to align 2 washers on each side. I'm using stainless steel washers. And you're going to take the handle. You're going to make sure the handle is lined up properly. You just insert it in. This part can be a little bit tricky because everything's precisely aligned. Alright, and once you have it on a little bit, you're going to take your aligning bit. This comes with Balisong knives. You're just going to push it through. Have it started. Just push it through. That's going to align everything nicely. And then you just pull that out. I'm going to take the big part of my pivot, put it through the back end. I like the Squid Industries logo showing on the front. So on that end, on the front end, I'm going to use my pivot screw. And just insert that in. I'm going to take my screwdriver. Take my screwdriver. There it goes. And just screw that in. I'm not going to tighten it all the way as of yet. I'll leave that for the end. Then you just repeat the exact same process on the next side. You get your washers, line them up on the pivot hole. You take your handle, insert that in. It's not going to align perfect. That's what you use this aligning bit for. Insert that in, like so. Take that out. Take the big part of your pivot, put that through the back end. Then you take your screw, just place that in the front. Alright. You're going to go and tighten this up. I'm going to tighten this all the way now. I'm actually going to open the blade and keep pressure. Keep pressure on the handle and the blade, so it tightens it up from both sides. Another way to do it, which I'll show you, is to take a bit driver, place that in the back, hold it like so, and tighten the screw in like so. Both ways I've found work very well. I have no preference for either way. These are very stripped though, so I also like to go in from the back and just give it a couple more turns, tightening it all the way. I'll do that for both sides. Alright. And then, from now on, I'm going to take a lubricant. I like to use this Carbon Honey Thick. You're just going to lube, place a little drop of lube on both sides. Flip it around and drop on both sides. Alright, from here, I'm just going to swing the blades, let the lube sit in. I do like 5 to 10 swings each way. Really let the lube seep in. Alright, let's check the tap. Tap is gone. Both sides. Play. Much better. Your knife will sound much better after this, and the more you flip it, the more that lube will seep in, the better it'll sound and feel. I hope this video has helped you guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.